European Auto Restoration. 76 Trans Am. Owners here picking it up. All done. Looks good. Cold-blooded. He is going to put new wheels on it. Can't wait to see it with new wheels. Get it out in the sunshine. I started a couple times while I had it here, but it's been sitting here about a year, a little over a year.